At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in the Christmas spirit. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, take in this.
My son wake me up out of my sleep and say, whole I house a bone down. And me drop down and my son said, son, go and take me up and put me back in my bed. After he put me back in my bed, he said, I go back down there. And me say, why me start cry? And me say, oh God, me can't believe, say. And he come back with you, say, Mama, burn up. Me say, really, Chubby King? Say, Mama, burn up in a fire. Lord, and me drop down and then he say, go and go relax. Mama, go relax. Go relax in your bed before you come down here for a big disaster down here. So a crowd of people, you can't go face it. Crowd of people, and me relax and me wait till about after 10. What time now? What is the time now, Martin? I reach, after 10, we reach here and he said, boy, Martin, I sit down and he said, sit down right there. So I relax and I start crying and get weak. And whole of my body just weak. Weak, just weak. Me say, God, no, Mama, me feed Mama with water. Yesterday, I give him apple and I give him orange. And me can't believe that Mama gone. And me start crying, God. Eh?
Have you seen the body?
No, we don't see the body, but we out on the veranda yesterday. And we gave me large drop of water and cake, everything. Orange and apple. Scrape out the apple and give it. And he said, God bless me, my daughter. He said, yes, he said.
When I wake up, like in the 3:30 or 3:34, 3:35, so in the morning, I go use the restroom. And after I use the restroom, then I go check on her in her room. And she was okay. And me touch her and say, Mom, you alright? He said, yes, my daughter. I'm okay, man. And so I say, alright, then I go back in my room. He said, alright, my daughter. And when I go back in my room now, I never feel so well, so I go use back the bathroom again. So I no sleep. I can't sleep again because my stomach don't feel so well. So I did that, I use the restroom and wash off my hand and go back in my room. And I say, alright, I go in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen, go take up something. And I go on there and look, I see fire. I come from fear bedroom. Yeah, and the door, I kick off the door and try to save her, but it now go make it to my son. Missy say, can make fire more than me. Yeah, lot of fire. We couldn't do no better. I feel it so much. My mom is there for us. Take care of us. Oh my God, I'm the last girl for her. I do that for her 24/7. She talk with me, she reason with me, and she laugh. Even yesterday, she watch TV till after 9. And then she say, alright, me bring her in now. Me bring her in. She enjoy her diaper. And then she say prayers together. And she say, alright, me daughter, me go relax. And I say, alright, ma'am, me not ready to go bed. Me I go and watch TV till when me ready to sleep. He say, alright, me daughter, I go and do it. And that's it. Me not more again. And after that, me tell her, say, me get up before day, like in I treat her. Call it's about to 4. And me wake up, go check on her.
So what was Christmas like? You spend Christmas together?
Yeah, we spend Christmas together.
What was it like? Walk us through that.
She have a good time. Yeah, we sit down and we watch. That time we was having TV on, we watch TV. She eat together and she drink Malta and she speak to her son because yesterday was her son's birthday. Yeah, so I speak to his son and my son. I say, Mom, you're drinking, man. He say, yeah. So his son turned in and say, I no drinking. I said, no, me not drunk. And Malta me a drink. You understand? And we say, okay. So we just sit there, we have fun, me and she. And we sorry to hear like how she just pass up in the fire like that. One more man. She's 91.
My wisdom warriors, me have a piece of attack to drop on Uno. Then Uno no know say, Andrew Honest come out with his mouth full of bag of lie. Why is this man going around and working? Why is he? Why is this man going around and still working when this man shouldn't step aside from his role? Why? And that may I ask on the Jamaican people. Because we allow Andrew Honest to still walk up and down like everything cool when we know everything is not good. Who give this man this authority to go around and talking? This man should step aside from his role. He's under ongoing investigation for stealing. Mighty God of Daniel. An annoyed Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness is out here talking about he's annoyed. We annoyed. What you take charity money and do with it? We annoyed. We see what you do. We see what you do, Andrew Holness. You come talk about you annoyed. You are come talk about you annoyed. You only annoyed because I get ratted will catch. You're only annoyed because you get caught. My wisdom warriors, hear this here. An annoyed Prime Minister Andrew Holness, an observer, put it out, you know. An annoyed Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging Jamaicans to pick sense out of nonsense and to stop spreading and accepting rumors and gossip. What are you talking about? You have to be more specific. Because we know say IC attack, but you is a prejudice against the IC. You is a prejudice, Andrew Holness, and you're too wicked. You're too wicked. Why you out here come and explain and trick the friggin' people them? But you know say, Jamaican people, go feel it underneath Andrew Holness Ross. Go feel it. Seriously. Go learn. Remember me telling you, go learn the hard way. Go learn the hard way because we allow this man to get away with everything because everybody afraid. Nobody no want. Listen, you see this a man here? This a man here got thief election. So everybody sit down and talk about, yes, we are going to vote. This a man here got thief election. Me not ask Christ, me I tell you no. And that a go happen. You think this a man here go through all this humiliation if you come back and lose election? Uno stay there. We a pick sense out of nonsense in Andrew Holness. We are pick sense out of nonsense. You understand? But are you picking sense out of nonsense? You think say you're going to win this court battle? It not going to work. It not going to work. And the only reason why you're going around, flaunting yourself, flaunting around the place is just because Jamaican people allow you to do that. I'm really sorry for my people them. I'm really sorry for them because they don't learn. They don't learn. They say, once bitten, twice shy. Then totally forget what Andrew Holness did in a pandemic. Now me hear them attack how Andrew Holness did hold down pandemic. Me can't believe I first me ever hear that. First me ever hear them something here. The way how a lot of Jamaicans fall. Andrew Holness out here saying one of the most frustrating things for me is to have intelligent people call him and ask him about rumors. I don't know, say this him at this film people them anyway. He said on Wednesday during his address at the handing over ceremony for phase 2 of Perth Estate in Manchester. My wisdom warriors, I want to listen to Andrew Holness, yeah? Listen to Andrew Holness really good and tell me what you think. Hear this.
My grandmother used to say you have to be able to pick sense out of nonsense. And she was not a well-schooled woman, but she had the sense of discernment. Not everything that is published, not everything that is written, not everything that is carried by gossip and rumors should be believed. Information is like food. Be careful what you feed your mind. Be careful where you get your information. Read with discernment. One of the most frustrating things for me is to have intelligent people call me and ask me about rumors. The battle for the mind. So, today, get it in your mind that Jamaica is an economically stronger country than it has ever been since our independence. We have achieved 12 quarters of consecutive economic growth following the COVID pandemic. We have a record unemployment rate of 4.2%, the lowest national debt to GDP ratio in 30 years. The lowest national debt to GDP ratio in 30 years.
Uno hear my wisdom warriors. In grandmother used to say pics and sort of nonsense. You know, see the IC in my undermine right now. He might tell we say, and everything were written. And that he might tell the people them, you know, me bombard. Jamaican people, when I go sit down and allow this man to do all these things. And nobody now come out and protest and do nothing about this. This man come out and I explain and I lie. Lie and I talk about employment. In it, lie. Lie when I tell employment is not down. That is a big fat lie. My wisdom warriors. Them same one come out and say, if you work few hours for the week, that is classed as employment. You can't imagine. You can't imagine. So if you get one 5-hour job or 6-hour job, one day, in a one day for the week, my wisdom warriors, them put it on it, you know. This is why them say it down. This is why them say employment is down. That is a lie. And then when I hear Andrew Honest come out again and I talk about rumors and all this something, I see him talk about. He not call them name, but we know say that this a man, you know, easy, you know, and terrible. Who give Andrew Honest the right? A Jamaican people give Andrew Honest the right to go around and do this. Every year you come out, every single year you come out, and you commend the IC. You commend the IC Andrew Holness. But as soon as they touch your can, yeah, say, not everything is written. Not, why you saying that? You're a horrible man. You're a wicked man. And you stand up. You stand with confidence and lie to Jamaican people. Me really feel sorry for the people them. Me really feel sorry for the people them. But me I tell you no. You have to know in Jamaica. You have to make a decision what you want. You have to make a decision upon what you want in a life. Understand? If you only want a one-off payment or you want a better future for yourself and you pitney. You have to know Jamaica. This man is a liar. I heard this man talking about spreading room. This man is a liar. He's a liar. And Andrew Holness, you are going to see what happens. No matter the obia where you walk. No matter what the obia where you walk. You go go down in disgrace. Shame and disgrace. And me there wait to see the labor right them face. Me can't wait. Them time the whole of them are going to disappear, you know. Them time the whole of them are going to disappear off of social media. Me I tell you no. But I will be here waiting. Because Andrew Holness, he is a wicked man. He's a wicked man. You're terrible. You're horrible. You're not supposed to be working. You're supposed to step aside, move away. You have court case. What are you doing? You are going against the act. You are going against the Constitution. What are you doing, brother? This is not right. Jamaica, what is going on? What is really going on in our country? What is really going on? Mighty God, I don't know, you know. Una have to know Jamaica. Una have to know. Una make one man come and convince on a day in and day out. Una will learn. Anyway, una tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, remember to follow me on X, Instagram, and TikTok. The link are there in the comment section. And you can reach me on my WhatsApp only, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.